So we have here Nubee 3528 waterproof color warm white 300 units LED strip lights. We have here your LED power supply. As you can see, it's 12 volts, 2 ampere, which is a total of 24 watts. It's UL approved. Then we have here your LED dimmer. It's easy to connect your LED strip lights and your LED power supply here. As you can see, it can make your LEDs go brighter, less bright using this. Just going clockwise to turn them on, to turn all the brightness on, and go the other way to turn the brightness down and to turn it off. I'll show you in a little bit how they work. And then we have here your LED strip lights. In each meter, there are 60 LED strip lights. And as you can see, in every 3 LEDs, you have this cuttable mark here. You will see it in every 3 LEDs. In every 3 LEDs. That mark is where you could cut it. If you have your LEDs too long and you want them shorter, that's where you can cut it on the cuttable marks. Remember, you will see in every 3 LEDs. That's the mark where you could cut it. Or let's say I want to use from here till here. I want to use this part. I just cut it from here and cut it from here, and I can still make them work. And then we turn it around. In the back, you have this 3 meter adhesive sticky backing where you could stick it to the walls, to your desktop, to even a chair, anywhere, and it won't move. And then at one end of your LED strip lights, you have what's called the DC jack. It's easy to connect, and you would connect it to your dimmer. You would connect this one to your dimmer, your LEDs to your dimmer, and then on the other end of your LEDs, you have these 2 wires. These 2 wires are for you to connect another set of LED strip lights if your LEDs strip lights are too short. That's where you can connect your other set of LED strip lights to make them longer. And now we're going to connect the other end of your dimmer to your power supply, just by connecting it like that. And then we have here an extension cord to connect your LEDs. Remember, this light indicates you that your power is working correctly. It should always be on when you have your power supply connected to the power. Now, to show you how the dimmer works, it's easy. Just using your dimmer, rotating it clockwise, you have it on. That's how you control the brightness. That's all the brightness it has, as you can see. Then you go less, little by little. You control your brightness. You control your brightness. Let me turn off the light so you can see a little bit better. As you can see, that's all the brightness. And you have less brightness, less brightness. until it turns off. Like I told you, it works like as a on and off button too. You control your brightness, and you control it if you want it on or off. And the cool thing about it, it's waterproof. You can install in trees, your kitchen, bedrooms, and you could even install it inside your pool. How cool is that? And then you could install it even in your cars. That's cool. And you're ready to enjoy.